the journey to the lower world to meet a power animal that is seeking you at this time in your life. Begin by taking a deep breath in and then exhaling, releasing, and letting go. Another breath in and releasing, breathing out and letting go. And one more deep breath in and breathing out, releasing and letting go. Now, let us do the 4-4-4-4 breath. Breathing in to the count of 4, holding to the count of 4, exhaling to the count of 4, and holding to the count of 4. So begin, breathing in, 2, 3, 4, holding, 2, 3, 4, breathing out, 2, 3, 4, holding, 2, 3, 4, inhaling, 2, 3, 4, holding, 2, 3, 4, exhaling, 2, 3, 4, holding, 2, 3, 4, inhaling, 2, 3, 4, holding, 2, 3, 4, breathing out, 2, 3, 4, and holding, 2, 3, 4, breathing in, 2, 3, 4, holding, 2, 3, 4, exhaling, 2, 3, 4, holding, 2, 3, 4, breathing in, 2, 3, 4, holding, 2, 3, 4, breathing out, 2, 3, 4, and holding, 2, 3, 4, inhaling, 2, 3, 4, holding, 2, 3, 4, exhaling, 2, 3, 4, and holding, 2, 3, 4. Now just let your breath return to its natural cycle and bring your hand to your heart and your other hand to your forehead, to the 6th chakra. And now with your intention, attune your 6th chakra to your heart. Attuning your 6th chakra to your heart. And now drop your hands into your lap and walk out the front door of your heart. And walking out the front door of your heart into a beautiful green meadow. Feel the grass beneath your feet. As you walk out into that green meadow, you notice a tree off in the distance. And the tree beckons to you, calls to you. And you walk on toward the tree. And as you approach the tree, you notice how big it is. The strong branches rising up into the sky as far as you can see. The sunlight glistening on the leaves. You notice the deep, large roots going down deep into the earth. And you realize this is the world tree. And as you stand there, the tree continues to beckon to you, to call to you. And you notice and realize you are in your luminous energy body. And the tree invites you to enter. And so you enter into the tree, merging with the tree. Feel the inside of the tree as you enter into it. Feel the sunlight coming down from the branches into your luminous body. and you review your intention to journey to the lower world, to meet a power animal that seeks you at this time in your life to assist you on your journey. And you begin to descend down to the large roots of the tree. And you come to the taproot. As you enter that taproot, you begin to journey on down through the dirt, past the bedrock. Just moving on down to that taproot until you come to the very tip of it. And you move out of that taproot, and there you are in the underworld. And you notice a stream. And you lie down in that stream and allow that water to wash over you, cleansing you from anything that you should not bring into the lower world. And as that water washes over you, it begins to carry you down the stream, carry you down until suddenly it washes you up onto a beautiful meadow. And you stand up, you look around, and you see beautiful vegetation, thick green vegetation of trees and forests, flowers. Off in the distance you see mountains, water and rivers, blue sky, clouds, as you stand there taking in the lower world. And you review your intention that you are here to meet your power animal that is seeking you at this time in your life. And you become aware of a presence, someone nearby. And the keeper, the guardian of the lower world, approaches you. And you tell him or her that you've come to the lower world to meet the power animal that seeks you at this time in your life. And the guardian invites you, allows you entrance and passage into the lower world. And if you like, you can invite the guardian to accompany you, to assist you in meeting that power animal. So you walk on now through the lower world. You might feel the foliage against your skin as you walk. And off in the distance, you become aware of movement. And as you approach, you turn and there you see your power animal looking at you. And you ask, are you my power animal? And if it says yes, greet your power animal. If it says no, journey on, or ask it to take you to meet your power animal. And when you meet your power animal, greet it, welcome it, look into its eyes, reach out with your hand, feel its fur, its feathers, its scales, its feet, its claws. Look into its eyes and ask it, who are you? What do you have to teach me? Why are you coming to me at this time in my life? What is your medicine? What is your strength? And feel your power animal, your spirit animal speaking to you, without words perhaps, heart to heart, mind to mind, telepathically. Ask it, what do I need to do so that you can live within me? How can you live within me? How can I be of service to you? What wisdom do you have for me? What teachings do you have for me? Protect me. Guide me in my life. Help me find my way. Touch his face again. Welcome it. Thank it for seeking you out. Invite it now to come back with you. Come with me, if it's right. Come with me. Very softly, very gently, begin to make your way back, calling on your spirit animal to come with you, to accompany you. As you walk back, you once again meet the guardian of the lower world, and you thank the guardian. Thank you for allowing me entrance to the lower world. And as you walk out and leave, your spirit animals accompanying you, walking by your side. And you lay down in that stream of water. And once again, you allow it to wash over you, cleansing you from anything you should not bring back with you from the lower world. And the stream carries you back to that taproot. And you, with that power animal by your side, enter into that taproot, and you begin your journey back up, past the bedrock, the dirt, on up. You can feel that taproot getting larger as you walk up and ascend up into that tree, back into the tree trunk. And then you walk out of that tree with your power animal, standing there again on the meadow, your luminous energy body with that power animal beside you, your spirit animal with you. And you walk back across that meadow. And back into the front door of your heart with your power animal. And now reach up with your arms and your hands and feel the energy of that power animal, that spirit animal, and bring it down into your heart, breathing it in, welcoming it, welcome, and feel the energy of your spirit animal entering into your heart, into your luminous energy body, taking up residence there. Feel the vibration of your spirit animal as it takes up residence in your energy field. And then pick up your stone and breathe into the stone all those gifts, the medicine, what it's here to teach you. Breathe that all into your stone. Holding that stone in your hand, Feel the energy of those gifts, of that teaching, of His purpose for coming. Breathing it in. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All the way back now, completely into your body, anchoring it in. Look at your fingers, your toes, pat your heart, becoming fully aware. Back into your body. Open your eyes. Back.